Hi guys, in this video we will see how to convert a 3D toolpath to a 5-axis toolpath in Mastercam. Firstly, create or import your 3D toolpath. And then understand the geometry, select the toolpath to convert and convert to a 5-axis toolpath. Now adjust the toolpath parameters, define the 5-axis setup and simulate the toolpath. Feel free to pause the video to follow each step if you are not understanding. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more such CAM programming related tech tips.